Hello everybody, welcome to the second lecture of building a search engine. So in this tutorial, we are going to just tell you the prerequisites that are required for proceeding forward with the later lectures. So there are some basic things you need to know. First thing, web development. You don't need to need to be a professional web developer or something. You just need to know how to write HTML, CSS, and how does a web server send a request, and how does a how does a web browser send a request to the web server, and how does a web server respond to the web request. So this is the basic thing you need to know, and then you need to know about TCP and IP and some application layer protocols like HTTP and TCP. So these are the basic things you may need to know. Suppose I ask you how does live streaming work on internet, and you must be able to answer that using UDP. So these are the basic things. You must be able to program in any programming language, so that will be really helpful for me explaining data structures and algorithm concepts. So you must be able to know like what is an array and what are the different type of data types available, and what are memory management techniques, and how to implement data structures using different programming languages. So if you know any programming, that's enough. Mostly search engines are built using Java, Python, or C++. Google is mostly on top of these three languages. So if you know any of this, then it's really good. Otherwise, it's okay. You can learn them in future, or you can proceed with whatever programming language you know. So it's not in any way compulsory. But for search engines, a lot of frameworks and libraries are available for the three languages I mentioned. So if you know them, it's really well. And I hope you must be knowing them because they are the regular programming languages and really popular ones. So everyone who is really familiar with programming knows them. Okay. Fourth thing is client and server model. As I told you, client, you just need to know basic things about sockets, and so because while designing a web crawler, you need to use this asynchronous sockets. So you need to know what are sockets and how different protocols are implemented using sockets and everything. So it's basic about sockets. You need to know about networking, and then basic concepts of data structures and algorithms. You need not to know about very deep into these topics, just about Hausen stack, queue, linked list, and trees and hashing. You don't need to know about a lot of hashing functions or anything in big detail. So it's just the basic things you need to know, so that you will really find it easy while I will teach all these things. Familiarity with DBMS, database management systems concepts are really important, and if you don't know database management systems, still you can work on this tutorial, because if you know data structures and algorithms, that will be really helpful, because DBMS are built a lot on top of data structures and algorithms. So that will be enough if you know these topics in basics, not too depth, and then you can proceed easily. And while I explain things, I will really explain from fundamentally, but still if you know these things, they will really help you. Thank you.